2006 Kia Sorento V6, bank 1, oxygen sensor 1, 10mm disconnect negative terminal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10mm bolts. Take off the decorative cover. I'm gonna come over here to the intake where there's 1, 2 hose clamps, flathead screwdriver. We're gonna take off this air hose for better access. We're gonna come over here and the connector is right here. It's gonna be a tab. We're gonna push and pull. We're gonna pull the connector off, straight up, off. Pull the wire off the holder. Then I use 7/8 break the sensor loose. And then we're just going to reverse install.